Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 NauticStar Legacy. This is a 23-foot boat, center console. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. This boat comes equipped with a Yamaha 200 outboard engine. Here's a bait well. We got 3 seats across the back. This boat is equipped with 6 rod holders on the bulwarks. It's equipped with 8 rocket launchers, a 46-quart igloo cooler. Okay, at the helm of this boat, we have full instrumentation. We have a 12-inch Simrad, infinity stereo, full lights, and accessory switches. We have a nice big area here where you could also put a fish finder if you wanted to put another electronic device here. We have, on the hardtop, we have your light switches and your breakers. We also have a real nice glove box underneath the hardtop as well. Comes equipped with LED lighting, JBL stereo system. We have a nice glove box on the helm as well. Coming through this boat, we have a nice pump out head. Those are bow filler cushions. Up on the bow, we have 2 fish boxes, port and starboard, your anchor locker. This boat also comes with a forward bait station, live well on the helm as well. If this is a boat you'd like to take a closer look at, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.